Okay na rin for an overnight stay. Congested na agad. Yung ticket natin is VIP. Dito tayo papasok. So today it's April 15 and it's the Aurora Fest in Clark, Pampanga. We're going there with my firstborn. This is a gift for her for getting good grades in school. So samahan nyo kami. It's her first Balloon Fest experience. We're now at Clark Airport, Angeles City, and we can see yung entrance. I can see silver entrance. Ayun yung stage, so pero oh my gosh, tapos umuulan-ulan at ang dami ng tao. Oh my god, paano? May kipagsiksikan dyan later. We're at room 306 here at Clarkton, and let's do a quick room tour. It's a blue themed tropical room, and there's a huge TV. Okay na din for an overnight stay. We planned nag-alarm siya because I didn't lock it. So, ayan. Okay na rin for an overnight stay. Kasi, kaya naman kami nag-book. Baka mamaya, biglang matraffic kami. Okay naman. Okay. Outfit check. So we are back on the road, mga Mima, and we're going to the concert grounds. So it's just 6 minutes away from the hotel, and time check, it's 3:53 in the afternoon. Yung hot air balloon will start 5 p.m. See you later. And we're here na sa parking lot. In fairness, marami pang slots. And magpo-4 o'clock na. So, I think this is unusual. Kasi dun sa last year, yung mga napanood kong vlog, congested na agad at this hour. So, ngayon maluwag-luwag pa. Let's see kung mamaya pa magdadatingan yung mga tao. Yan. So, here's the situation right now. Ito yung entrance ng Gold and SVIP. So, yung ticket natin, SVIP. Dito tayo papasok.
Excited kami, excited. Kung excited kayo, excited din po kami. Pero bago po kami mag-umpisa, nais po namin pasalamatan ang Aurora sa mga lahat ng bumubuo unang event na to, lahat ng nagpagod, palakpakan naman natin sila. Last two songs po na to, isang original song po ulit na sinulat namin. At itong awiting ito, tungkol siya sa tao.
Introduce yung kantang yan. Introduce din namin itong bago namin kasama sa banda. Hindi mabubuo itong kantang to kung wala siya rito.
Game.
Or wala kayong choice?
Wala kaming choice, syempre, pero happy to be here. Let's do this.
Now, before anything else, can you please say... Ayan. But thank you so much for sharing that. Okay, if you wanted to start up a band, pwedeng pangalan... Pampanga!
Hands up!
Check, hey. Magandang gabi, Aurora. Ako nga pala si Paul Sembrano. Local John.
So it's time na yata to look to our left side. Tama ba, Jer?
Yes, this is the best time that you pull out your phones and take a video as we start lighting up the hot air balloons. Ayan na. Ay! We have... Nagsisimula na. Patilino. Sobrang excited.
Yeah, are we G?
Look at that. So our Shelby Power hot air balloon is now lighting up. Nagsisimula na siya. They are powering it up. Our Philippine-inspired hot air balloon is also nagre-ready na din.
Actually, nauna yung Philippine flag kanina eh, no?
Oo.
Ready na siya kanina pa.
And as you can see, Jay, they're all busy taking videos or photos for our hot air balloon. And let's just wait further as our pilots light it up.
Hindi kanila yun.
Siyempre, no?
Kasi malabas yung waste kanila yun.
Sa Clark, sikat na sikat talaga ang mga hot air balloons dyan. Ayan, as we can see, ayan, nagsaslide up na po again ang Philippine flag natin. Again, Aurora artist later on.
Ayun na, hindi mo na daw ipapalight yung hot air balloon hanggat hindi natin nagigauge yung energy ng audience.
Ready! Okay ba yun? Hindi mo kaya yun?
Ay, guys, magpapatalo ba tayo dito? Hindi, diba? Kaya naman, are you ready?
Ay, hinahamon tayo. Again, right side. Are you ready?
na lang kami para mag date night dito.
Or in English, what are we?
Nag-barbecue na lang yung mga millennial.
Last one. After siguro sa tayo, sige siya.
Mas kinakakala ko, diba nakutal na ako? Dahil sa na-overwhelmed ako sa magagaling na mga artists.
Naniwanag talaga siya and solid supporter. Anong meron sa Ben and Ben? Bakit sinusuportahan mo sila?
Paulo, Belmet.
As a nursing student. As a nursing student.
Parang sometimes nag-breakdown talaga ako sa room ko without my sisters knowing. Kasi, as you can see, as the youngest member of the family, parang ako po yung nag-light up sa house. So, kung saan ako, hindi ko masyado pinapakita sa kanila. And then, nagkukulong lang ako sa room ko while listening to Ben and Ben. Sure lang, chaser lang.
No, actually, that's the thing about yung mga tao very happy yung disposition in life. Minsan sila yung grabe yung tinatago. Sila yung umiiyak mag-isa. Pero by the time they get out of their room, doon sila na yung iiwanag para sa lahat. And thank you so much for being brave.
Yes. Ikaw rin ang liwanag ng pamilya mo.
Yes, thank you for being the liwanag.
So, relationship nila.
Mag-sisters pa sila. But yes, meron.
Gusto ko lang pong mag-thank you sa ate ko for sponsoring our trip.
You know, ano pala team effort, no?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much po. Ayan, mamaya, Ben and Ben, mag-enjoy ka, syempre. Ay, isa pa, baka narinig ka ni Paolo ngayon.
Hello, Paolo. Thank you. Pagkalan kay Miguel, kay Pat, kay Agnes, kay Poch, kay Kaifer, kay Jack, kay Tony, kay Andrew. Maraming salamat! Okay,
sincere yung mga kumusta ko sa inyo. So, kumusta kayo lahat? I hope you guys doing good. And gusto ko lang magpakilala ulit. Ako nga pala si Adi. I'm a singer-songwriter from O's Records. And this is my band. This is Fransaro. This is Kuya Dati on drums. This is Kuya Choi. This is Kuya Will. And this is Miss Gabby. So, palakpakan naman po natin lahat. Miss Gabby. I just want to say thank you for having me, Aurora, once again, grabe. For the third time straight, nandito na naman ako. Thank you sa lahat ng organizers, sa lahat ng bumubuo ng event na to. Sa sponsors, sa Converse, grabe, thank you so much for sponsoring these cakes. Kaka-release lang, mas binigyan ako. Salamat. Salamat DRV. Yeah, thank you. Ayun. I love you. Sa akin ba to? Pero ma. Alright, so for my second song, itong susunod kong awitin para sa inyo. Para sa mga sinungaling. Dun sa mga sinasabi sa sarili nila na okay na ako, nakalimutan ko na yun. Nakamove na ako. But at the back of their minds, dumadungaw pa rin sila dun sa nakaraan. Sino dito yung mga dumudungaw pa rin sa nakaraan? Kasi nga hindi natin makakalimutan ng nakaraan. Past is past. Yun lang yun.
Ayaw mo nagugutom sila.
Ano mga choices nila dyan?
Wala na syempre, we have, of course, McDo tayo dito. We have a lot of the beef as well. And of course, mga Korean food available dito. We have this beef, Kagami Stadium.
Yes.
So much more.
We also have Jayco. And yung kanina may binigay sa'yo from Dennis Kitchenette ba yun?
Vanessas.
Vanessas.
course, mga Korean food available dito. Gratis to eat, stadium.
Yes.
So much more.
We also have Jayco. And yung kanina may binigay sa'yo from Dennis Kitchenette ba yun?
Vanessa's.
Vanessa's.
Handa na ba kayo?
Ang sakit ng kanta na yun. Pero alam mo ba, Jay? Naalala ko yung kanta na yan. Galing ako, umalis ako, tapos pagpunta ko ng bahay, wala na pagkain.
Ano nangyari?
Tapos sabi ko, siguro nga'y wala na natira sa mga sinain na para sa
Hindi sinain yun! Alam mo, pakinggan na lang na. Let's all welcome Osborne Day!
Habang dumudulo, pasikat ng pasikat yung mga kumakain. Mga tao.
Good evening, everybody.
Para mabigwasan kita eh.
Para saan?
Hinintay niyo bang mag-photo?
Hello.
wala naman yata pansulat. Ah, yun pala eh. Oh, go.
So finally, we're out sa concert ground and we're back here sa parking lot. Sobrang sikip, ang daming sasakyan. Di na namin tinapos. There are still 2 sets. Yung isa, December Avenue, and the last one was Ben and Ben, pero hindi na kami umabot doon dahil itong aking anak ay okay na daw siya. Very much happy already. Satisfied. So that's our very first Balloon Fest, our Clark Aurora experience, and overall it was fun. It was excellent. And thank you for watching, mga Mimas. See you on my next video. Bye!